what they're already calling the petticoat line. Since hats have gone out of fashion, a girl's best friend is her hairdo. At this get-together, top British models and masters of the coiffure show what can be done with an accessory or two and a little imagination. How's that? This idea was old in Grandma's day, curlers indeed. But there's a difference. The tinfoil titivators stay on. The Olivia Newton-John and John Travolta look, and not a grease gun in sight. Miss Singapore and Miss Nigeria try something different. Flowers have helped hairstyles since Eve first eyed apple blossom. There's nothing quite so good for a girl's morale as having her hair messed about with. Normally, of course, they wouldn't be seen dead like this, but it's all a necessary preliminary to looking gorgeous. Bake lightly for a few minutes, and hey presto! You don't see any difference, gentlemen? Well, maybe so, but don't mention it. Conkers conquer all on the village green at Ashton in Northamptonshire.